checking in my brother's closet for stuffies that are mine. This is what we're dealing with. Now, we can usually tell this one's mine, 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 this one's mine by me, this one's mine,